Hi guys, I hope you're well and welcome back, and hello if you are new. My name is Ellis and today I'm sharing a Primark and a home bargains haul, plus I have a little goodie from B&M as well that I picked up. We're full of, like, you know, cleaning bits, home decor bits, Easter bits, some little clothing items and things like that, which I'm really excited to share with you. So if you want to see exactly what I picked up, because there's some great bits here, just continue to watch. Okay, we're going to start with home bargains because home bargains were giving me life. It was so good what they had in. So many good bits. There's also some random bits in here. Gonna start off with this. How freaking adorable is this Easter bunny? Look! Oh my god, I absolutely love it. I actually fell in love when I saw it. Oh no, I think his ear's a bit battered. He's been knocked about, bless him. But look how cute he is. This little wicker rattan type bunny. I thought he was so cute. Really fits the aesthetic of my house. Loved him. He was really cheap, like £3. I don't know where the receipt is, but he didn't cost me a lot of money, and I absolutely loved him. Really lightweight as well, so I thought it'd be perfect if the kids decide to get hold of him and throw him about. Not that I want that, but yeah, we move. Then next up, bit random, some socks. Really cheap actually, £2.50, 5 pairs of socks. Really cute colours, as you can see. Got like all the creams, the nudes, the whites, the greys, just because my child seems to lose 1,000,001 socks all the time. And then some new, like, home fragrancy freshness bits, which when I saw these I was like, oh my goodness, I've never seen these before. However, I am going to say I'm not a fan because I have tried one of them out. So I picked up these. They're called the fluorescent scent crystals. This is in the Midnight Bloom. If you know what the Alien perfume smells like, this is like the exact one of that. And then this is Linen Fresh, which you can all imagine what that one smells like. They smell insane. However, I am not getting the room filling for up to 4 hours scent from them. They smell amazing if you're sat right next to them. However, I cannot smell it for longer than like 20 minutes. I thought these would be great because it meant they didn't like melt down like wax melty type things. They weren't overly expensive and you don't use a lot of them. But yeah, I mean, they're not really working. The only thing that I could think of is because I'm using them in my electric burner instead of an actual candle one, so maybe they're not getting to a hot enough heat. I don't know, so I might go out and buy myself a new little wax burner, or see if I've got one in the garage. I might actually have one lying around that I don't use. I know I was getting rid of a lot of them bits because I hated cleaning the wax melts out of them and using all the tea lights. But I might have a look and see if I can find one and see if that makes a difference, because I thought these would be so good and a much better idea to wax melts that burn than you've got to clean out, because these you just pour straight out. But yeah, let me know if you've used these and what your thoughts are, and if the scent is any stronger in like an actual candle tea light thing, because I'm not vibing with them. They weren't expensive though. And then I've been dying to do this video so I can get these up, but these look new. Hadn't seen these before. Zaflora Car Air Freshness. Maybe they have existed, maybe I've just not seen them. Got this one in Midnight Bloom, this one in Linen Fresh. You know, love these scents. Bit worried the Alien will give me a headache. Used to love the Alien perfume, or the Midnight Bloom should I say. Used to love that perfume. Says they last up to 30 days, but it used to give me a headache. You know, when they're really strong to start with. We'll see. I'm not quite sure either. There's no gel and I think they get stuck to your vents. I'm not quite sure how they work, but hopefully they'll smell good. I always question how they can smell so good on the Sniff and Scratch that whole time as well. Anyhow, we move. Then I'm going to move on to a couple of boring bits before I move on to some good stuff. New water bottles for the boys, 1 each. These ones don't have lids and they look like they're just open, so I'm a bit worried they're going to leak everywhere. But we'll see. They were only cheap and they needed new bottles. Really boring. Some tyre fix, because I seem to have a slow puncture somewhere in my tyre and it randomly goes and then it comes back and I don't know what's going on, and it was a brand new tyre that cost a lot of money just a couple of months ago. But now on to the good Easter stuff. First up, these Home Bargains had so much Easter stuff in there. So does B&M. Do go and check them out if you're in the market, because the bits they have in it this year are just giving me all the vibes. But I got these and I'll show you in a second what I'm going to use them for. But tissue paper, one in this really, really lovely Easter print. There is 10 sheets in there. Probably didn't need this much, but I also got this cute little chick one as well. Now I'm planning to make some Easter baskets for the boys and my nieces as well. I will show you how in a little bit. I'm so excited for what I'm gonna do. But yeah, pick those up. Also, I mentioned in my last video, if you haven't watched it, I'll leave it linked here. It was like a little B&M haul with loads of Easter cleaning home decor pieces in it as well. So do go check that out. But these look cute. Make your own pom-pom animals. Pick these up, but I'm gonna do some little arts and crafty bits and pop them in the boys' Easter baskets because their half term is actually after Easter this year, which is amazing. So these ones, they can make their own little pom-pom animals. It is for ages 5+, but I thought I'd put like a little Easter craft set in each of their baskets, like the bigger two. My youngest won't really care, but I've got something else for him in a second. Yeah, I thought that's something for them to do over Easter. And again, I don't know how much that one was, but I think it was like £3 or something. Then I picked up these, which I'm not gonna lie, I wish I kind of picked one up for myself. Again, just for the bigger two boys, because my youngest isn't gonna be that bothered. They love these cups. I always pick these up for them. What did they have? They had, maybe was it like a Christmas one or a random one? I'm not quite sure, but pick these up. Best thing about them though, they had these in purple as well. Best thing about them, they actually light up. Look at that. My kids are gonna love it. They've got different settings. You can either have it still, flashing, going crazy, or you can have it off. The boys are gonna love these. So I'm so excited to put them in their Easter baskets. And then if you saw in my last video, we always do like Easter egg hunts for the kids. I need to get all my Easter decor out. There will be a spring clean and decorate video coming out if it hasn't already been popped on my channel already. And if it has, I'll put it up here somewhere. But I put more, I'm in a really, you know, all over the place mood today. The sun was really putting me in a good mood this morning. It's gone now. I feel like my good mood has stayed. More eggy things. These were cheaper in Home Bargains over B&M, although the B&M ones were bigger, so it depends what vibe you're after. These are more like solid, the other ones were hollow. But I get these every year, so some eggs. These are like the Looney Tune chocolate coins. Not really Easter related, I guess they've got a bunny on them. And then we get these every year as well, but they're like the little bunny ones as well. So I've got those. Some of these I think were like 70p each or whatever, so they were really, really, really affordable. So I was chuffed with them. They're for the Easter egg hunts, but I need to make sure we've got all the Easter egg hunt signs, otherwise I'm gonna need to get a new kit. Yeah, otherwise I'm gonna need to get a new kit. But moving on, I then went to B&M and I've already put this bedding on my bed because I couldn't wait any longer and I really wanted new bedding. I picked up this the other day. I cannot believe how much of a steal this was. Went into B&M, saw this bedding. It's called Pom Pom Trim Duvet Set in a king size. It was £14 for the whole set, which I just thought was an absolute steal. And it's this here. It's got this gorgeous like pom-pom detailing around the edges and down the pillows. I absolutely loved it. It looks stunning on the bed and the material is so soft. Just wanted some more plain bedding because I've spilt makeup all over my bedding. Foundation by accident. When my foundation ran out, the thing come off the end. Yeah, we're not going to go there. Anyways, wanted some new bedding. Bought some new bedding. So happy that in the home collection, £14, absolute bargain. Then I'm going to move on to this because I am so happy with these. So, like I said, wanted to do the boys some Easter baskets. Wanted them to have like a good size basket. They did have some in B&M, but they were very, very small. And I was like, that's not really giving me the vibe that I want. So, yeah. Bearing in mind that I've got things like this to get in and their eggs and stuff. Found these. A lot of them were like £8, £9 as well. Found these at £4.50 in Primark. We're on to our Primark stuff now. Look at these baskets. Oh my God, they are giving me life. The pastel colour on them is everything. These little handles. So I thought not only are these going to be perfect for, you know, doing their Easter baskets with, but then they can also go around and do their Easter egg hunt with their baskets and they're going to be big enough. So I've got 3 in blue for each 3 of my boys, as you can see. And then for my nieces, they had these in loads of different colours, including a hot pink, but I got these in baby pink. Look how cute. The pastel colours are giving me life. They are so bloody cute. So I'm doing a little bit different to my nieces to what I am doing with the kids. They're getting a little bit of different stuff. So bloody cute. But what's going to be even cuter is I'm getting out my Cricut machine. You guys know I love my Cricut machine. I did work with them years and years and years ago. I don't think because I haven't worked with them in over a year I even have to declare that this is an ad, because it's obviously not, but I did work with them. But I use my Cricut machine all the time. And I'm gonna do, I've seen loads of different designs, but like a little bunny and a chick and They had other stuff, and then I'm gonna put their names on it, and I just think they're gonna be so cute. So I cannot wait to do that. So there is 11 months between Hudson and my youngest niece, and there's another niece sandwiched in between. So they are all 1, almost 2 in that age range. So for them, for Hudson, I got him these bubbles. These were £1.50 for 2 packs of bubble ones. Really, really affordable, blue and yellow. So I'm gonna put one of those in his basket. And then I got my nieces, obviously they only need a bubble each. These little pink and purple ones, how cute are they? £1.50 each, so they're gonna go in their baskets with their eggs. I'm also gonna get them a little something else. I'm not gonna share it in this video just in case they're watching. I'm hoping they're not watching, but just in case they are. And gonna do it with like all the tissue paper, put all the tissue paper in here, have the bubbles, have the other little things, couple of little eggs, their main egg. I think it's gonna look really adorable. And then, also picked up these. I thought these were an absolute steal. £4 down to £2. These tea towels, absolutely love the colour of them. I've not bought new tea towels in years, and I thought it was about time. I got myself some. So there are 4 new tea towels in there. I can finally get rid of some old ones. For £2, I mean, can't go wrong. And then I just picked up some clothing bits, mainly for nursery, but now I'm thinking I might actually use these at home. They're so cute. First up for Hudson, 24 to 36 months. They had loads of bits in there. This little ribbed t-shirt and short set. I thought this would be great for the summer. A little pair of white trainers, I don't know, Crocs or whatever else. Thought they would look really, really cute. And it was £3.50. So cheap. So then I picked up this little set again. I think this one was £3.50 as well. 24 to 36 months. Come with the longer leggings. I actually did think they were both longer, but I'm not too bothered because they're both really sweet. £3.50. I mean, for nursery or at home, I mean, he would happily wear this at home, but I bought it for nursery because it was so cheap and he gets smothered all the time. But absolutely love that as well. And then the last item, probably the most boringest item, just some black joggers, but 2 of these for £5 in black and grey. I feel like they're going to look huge on him because he's like the smallest 2-year-old you will ever see. He recently had his paediatrics appointment and they said to me that he is currently below the 10th centile. He's always been a small baby. He's never been higher than that. I think he was on like the 0.2 at one point. So he is growing, but yeah, he's tiny. So his legs don't fit into a lot of stuff. So maybe I shouldn't have bought 2 to 3, but I want them to last. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up from Primark, Home Bargains, and that B&M item as well. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Do go check out the other B&M haul that I did if you're interested in more Easter and home decor. Do check out my recent cleaning videos. There will be a spring clean and decorate if it's not already gone up already. Do come follow me over on Instagram for more daily rambles and chats. I promise I'm gonna get more consistent over here. Hudson is now in preschool a couple of days a week, which finally gives me a bit of time back to myself. But yeah, love doing these videos for you. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see from me in the comments box below. Let me know if there's any other bargains you've recently picked up from Home Bargains, Primark, or anything else you are loving. The clothing in Primark at the moment in the women's range is giving me life. I do think I'm gonna go back and do a shop because I do need some items of clothing for like summer. So haul pending potentially. But yeah, and do subscribe if you are new, and if you're not, thanks for sticking around as always, and I'll see you all for another video again very, very soon. Bye guys.